What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to talk to you about cleanliness. One of the most common questions I get asked is, how do you clean up your tricking form? And honestly, it's not that complicated. So today I'm going to talk about 5 things that I do to try and keep my form nice, clean, and consistent. With that said, let's get started. First, train using progressions. For example, if I'm going to be training my box cutter, I'm not just going to start by drilling the box cutter itself. Rather, I'm going to start by practicing my cheat gainer. Having a good, clean cheat gainer means I'm going to have a good, clean set when I move into my box cutter. After that, I'm going to practice my moon kick, or gainer hook. If I have a good, clean gainer hook, I'm going to have a nice, clean hook kick when coming out of my box cutter. The cleanliness of your moon kick directly translates to the cleanliness of your box cutter. After that, I'm going to make sure my twisting is clean and consistent by training my hyper cork, which is just a box cutter but without the kick at the end. And only after doing all of those will I move in to training the box cutter itself. If I train with a more progressive scheme, I will help improve all the other tricks associated with the box cutter, and that will help me train the box cutter itself. Second, condition your body. If you want tricks that are clean and consistent, you need a body that can support that. And it's not that difficult. All it takes is regular and routine conditioning. I have a ton of conditioning tutorials on this channel. You can check those out if you want, but it's more important that you just find a routine that works best for you. I personally like doing calisthenics, other guys like weight training, and some athletes even prefer yoga. Regardless of what you do to condition your body, having it strong will be such an important factor for clean, consistent tricks. Third, stretch your muscles. If you want to be clean and consistent, one of the most important things you can do is stretch and become flexible. If your muscles are flexible, you'll be able to control them through their entire range of motion, and you'll be able to perform with a lot more cleanliness. So just like how conditioning your body is key to developing strength, stretching your muscles is key to developing flexibility. And both of these things are super important when it comes to a tricker's cleanliness. Fourth, film yourself. If you guys want to understand what your body is doing when you perform a trick, one of the best things you can do is to get a camera, record yourself doing the trick, and then sit down and watch it back. Doing this helps you make a lot of conscious choices about your technique that will then result in better cleanliness. Choices like, did I point my toes? Did I set with enough flip in the beginning? Was my twist tight enough? All of these questions can be answered by yourself just by recording yourself doing the trick and then watching it back. Doing this is one of the best things you can do to be clean and consistent. Fifth, visualize the technique. If you can visualize the technique from start to finish, it will be that much more automated when you perform it. And the more automated a technique is, the more you're able to focus on little details that lead to cleanliness. If you can't close your eyes and visualize yourself doing a cork, chances are you won't be able to cork with pointed toes. Because if you're going to do that cork and point your toes, you need to be thinking the whole time, point your toes. Instead of thinking, all right, I'm going to set like a cheat gainer, I'm going to pull in my arms like a B twist, I'm going to hold that twisting position until I spot the ground, then I'm going to open up into a nice big eagle. That's a big thought pattern. And you can make that all automated just by practicing visualization. And again, the more automated a technique, the easier it will be to attack tiny details that affect cleanliness, like toe point, the amount of set you get, or the tightness of your twist. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, write me a comment down below. What helps you guys clean up your tricks? Personally, it really helps me to visualize. I'm a very visual learner, and if I can sit down and imagine myself doing it, I'll be able to perform it with much more cleanliness and much more consistency. Thank you guys again for watching, and have a lovely day.